How to make a membership website using WordPress. Hey guys, welcome back. Now, if you're looking to build a membership area for your WordPress website, it's very easy and we'll break it down step by step. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you have to do is head on over to your WordPress dashboard. And once you're on your WordPress dashboard, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on plugins on the left panel. So on this left panel, you have plugins. Now over here, you want to click on add new. Once you click on that, you just want to search on the top right and you want to search for membership. Now, once you search for membership, there are two plugins that I actually recommend. First is Ultimate Member, and then you have Paid Memberships Pro. Now, both of these are free to use plugins and they don't have any kind of hidden fees, and you can build a membership area or a registration area for your users simply and effectively, where you can restrict content and also build your members directory and more. So you can choose any one of these plugins. Let's go with the Paid Memberships Pro, and you're going to click on Install Now. Once you click on Install Now, you have to activate your plugin. So within a couple of seconds, the installation will be completed, and then you can click on Activate. Once you click on Activate, you will be led to the setup page where you can get started with setting this particular plugin up. Now you guys can see it's going to ask you what kind of membership site are you creating. Let's say that I am creating a podcast membership and I want to generate required plugin pages. So this is one thing to keep in mind if you want to automatically generate these pages. It usually is a whole lot easier for you to set up your membership areas and to set up your particular membership area for your paid customers or any kind of membership that you're looking to set up, may it be a paid course, a paid cooking class, or anything else. So after that, you also have paid memberships. So if you're going to be collecting payments for your memberships, then you want to click on this option. If you are not taking paid memberships or you're not collecting payments and your memberships are going to be free, which means anyone can register to your website, you can simply leave this option. Then after, you can add your license key, but you can submit and continue otherwise as well. Now you have different membership levels. So if you want to create a membership level, such as people who are registered for free, people who might be valued customers, and people who are maybe paid customers that are paying an extra amount for extra content. So you can enter the particular level name over here. Let's say I want to add free registration, and I can click on submit and continue. Now, after that, you have some advanced settings. Now, in these settings, so whether or not members can see restricted posts or searches or search in archives, and then you have show excerpts to non-members. So I want to show excerpts to non-members. I don't want them to be able to see the entirety of my paid content, but they can also see some basics of that content. Now, after that, you have the option to block all users with the subscriber role from accessing the dashboard. I'm going to select this over here if you don't want them to have access to your dashboard, and then you want to do the hide the toolbar from all users with the subscriber role. Now, after that, you can choose tracking. So allow the usage of Paid Members Pro to be tracked or do not track on my site. This is totally up to you and how you want to set this up. I'm going to leave the tracking on and click on submit and continue. Now, after that, you have your basic membership site ready. Now, you can go on ahead and use some of the add-ons if you are looking to integrate your events or invitations directly over here, but you can just click on this link over here and you can proceed to see the different levels of membership that you have now created. So on your left panel, you have your memberships, and on your memberships, you have your dashboard, members, orders, reports, add-ons, and license. So I can click on add a new level. And let's say a monthly charge would be added, and then this subscription might be to my particular cooking class or to my particular therapy session. Whatever it might be, you can create a different member level. Usually for most people, having a simple registration area does suffice for most people, and it lets you have your loyal customers who have provided their emails, and you can provide follow-up emails and more. Now, after that, you can actually go into your membership dashboard And you will see your sales and revenue, membership stats, list views, logins, and more. Memberships, or this particular Paid Memberships Pro plugin, actually creates all of the basic pages that are required. So if you go on ahead and go to your site and you want to visit what your site looks like, the automated membership area or the membership pages would automatically be created. So if you take a look over here, it says membership account, membership billing, cancel, checkout, confirmation, invoice, levels, and your profile. Now, this is the basic default membership plugin pages that are created. Obviously, you want to edit these, so you can go back into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, you can click on Pages. And once you click on Pages on your left toolbar, you will see all of the membership pages that have been created. Now, the first thing I might want to do is we have your profile, which is a membership page I require. Maybe I don't want any membership levels, and I don't want invoices. I don't want a billing section. I don't want a checkout section. I just want the rest of the pages. So I'm just going to select these pages. And then what I'm going to do is I can choose to remove these pages. I'm going to click on trash over here. And I can do a bulk edit as well. So if I want to delete multiple pages at once like this, I can click on bulk actions, click on move to trash, and click on apply. And just like that, those particular pages have been removed. Now, once I have removed the pages I don't need, I can actually go into the site and I can begin editing how these pages are going to appear. So I can click on view or quick edit or edit. You just click on edit, and if you're using Elementor, you can use that as well. If you are using any other third-party platform, then you can use the website editor of those particular platforms as well. However, even if you're using the basic WordPress editor, it's totally fine to use that as well. So you can just click on visit site over here. You will see you will have your updated membership areas, only the ones that you let remain. And then you can click on edit site over here on the top left of your screen. Once you click on edit site, WordPress is going to open up their default editor. Now, I do recommend going for a different type of editor like Elementor or any other editor because it's going to enable you to edit more efficiently. So if you're not really familiar with building on WordPress, it makes it a whole lot easier for you to set up your particular website and membership area. However, using the default editor is really not that hard either. So we have our basic navigation panel on the right, and you can see the different views that it has. Now, let's say I want to edit this. I will just click on edit, and I can click on add link, and let's say I want to add another link, which might be the your profile link. Now, I might want to make this slightly different. So let's say I have this and I want this to be I think I'm going to leave it as it is. And then I'm going to go into our membership area and click on edit this menu. And now I can click on membership cancellation, and then I can click on delete because I don't want this page to be directly visible in my drop down. And then the your profile menu, I also want to delete that because I've added that as a separate menu item in my basic panel. Now, once I've done this, I can go on ahead and click on save on the top right, and our new navigation has been built. Now I can go back to my actual WordPress site and take a look at what it's going to look like. You can go on ahead and build it step by step. So now if I go into my your profile page over here, let's say I want this to be present on the top, and then login, membership account, and then sample page. Now if I go back, I have my pages, and once I click on pages on the WordPress editor, I can choose the particular page. So I will click on the membership account page. This is what the membership account page currently looks like. So I can click on the edit option on the top left, and I will click on continue. Now you can open up the top left icon, which is this plus icon, and then you have multiple different types of blocks, patterns, and media that you can add. So you can add all of your restricted content or your paid only content or registered users only content on these membership areas. So I can add, let's say I want to add a video. I will simply go into blocks, and then I can click on media and text or video, and then I have my video over here. From here, I can click on upload, and then I can upload my own particular membership divided content. So in this way, you can build a membership area in your WordPress website. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.